Effective communication and collaboration are essential for any successful team. But today's remote and diverse teams face even greater challenges in building meaningful connections.
Hi, I'm Mazareen Memon, and I want to introduce you to the Mysteries in Color workshop.
Greetings team, I'm Ted Timirtzoglu and I'm honored to be on the Mysteries of Color journey with you.
Our interactive and playful team-building experience uses colorful ink blots and pareidolia to ignite the imagination and reveal different perspectives.
In our workshop, I'll guide you through activities that trigger the release of mood-altering hormones from muscles to mind and body, a natural pharmacy within us all, activated through movement. The profound impact will be felt cognitively and emotionally.
Participants will discover familiar forms like faces, animals, flowers, objects, or landscapes in the ink blots, and use pencils or crayons to reveal them so that others can see them too. This I see what you see moment shows how everyone sees something different in the same ink plot, sparking conversations and revealing the creative side of everyone in a completely non-judgmental setting.
My expertise lies in seamlessly integrating movement to foster an environment where creativity, empathy flourishes and a sense of community deepens.
The Mysteries in Color process creates a shared understanding and respect for each other's opinions and ideas, fostering better communication, collaboration, and creative problem solving.
So, get ready to embark on this union of Mysteries in Color, where power of movement and Mysteries in Color converge, creating a holistic experience where we can all flourish and thrive. We can't wait to begin this journey with you.
The workshops are perfect for icebreakers, onboarding, team building, and brainstorming sessions. They're also great for office parties, game nights, and mixers. And don't just take our word for it. Here's what our clients have to say. So, if you're looking for a fun and effective way to boost communication and teamwork, contact us for a free demo.